Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q4 of the weekly contest 492 minimum cost to partition a binary string. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Honestly, I don't know why or what is going on with this problem. I think there was a lot of weird reading things, and I actually end up taking about 6 minutes on this problem, and about 3 of those minutes is just me trying to figure out how to read this problem. The thing is that the commentary is that if this if statement, but they don't say what's with an odd statement, they could just be explicit about it. And of course, all the examples don't really have an odd length case, even a sub case, other than one character, I suppose. It is very weird. I don't know why they do it this way. I don't know if it's supposed to yeah, it's just very weird. It's very confusing. That's why it took so long. But otherwise, honestly, I don't really know how to talk about this because I don't think this is that hard. The key part is just complexity analysis. Because well, there are two things. One is that you have to pre-calculate something, but then second is that it is complex analysis, and you have to think that. I think it is very easy to think, okay, well, we do take, no take, and as a result, maybe 2 to the n or something like that. But keeping in mind that this is a classic divide and conquer recurrence, right? And here we have it, right? Yeah. So here, let's ignore the prefix sum for now, so then we can play around. But this is strictly a divide and conquer problem. We have the left and the right. We figure out the L. L is given by the problem. It is also the length. X is just the sum. It's the it's the number of ones in the thing. You could say is a prefix sum because you just sum up the zeros and ones. So I call it prefix sum. But X is the number of ones. And we'll leave this for a little bit, right? And if X is equal to 0, you do the fact cost. Else you do the cost that they tell you, right? You already got all these things, so you just do them. If it's even, then you have a chance of dividing in the middle. Just make sure you don't mess up on the bounds, and you're okay, right? So you either take or no take, but you can only know, or maybe this is the take, I don't know, it doesn't really matter, right? It's just you have 2 choices, and this choice is only available if it's even. And it doesn't matter, because if it's power of 2, that's fine. Then you could have choices in all of them. Right, because then now you have the recurrence of f of n is equal to 2 times f of n over 2, right? Plus some, let's say g of n for now, right? And this is the part why we need prefix sum, right? Because if g of n is equal to O of n, then now what is this recurrence, right? I actually forgot. It is not good, is what I was going to say. What is that? Maybe it is exponential. I don't know. No. It's a classic one, right? Is it n squared? Maybe I lied. Maybe it is this n log n, huh? Yeah, I guess that's true. Which makes it even just weird. I don't get this problem at all now. For some reason, I was like, not gonna lie, I was very confused because I just don't understand what the problem with this problem is. Because if this is O of 1, then I was gonna say, if this is O of 1, for some reason I thought O of 1 is n log n, man. But I'm just wrong. It's been so long. But if g of n is O of n, this is going to be O of n log n. And if it's O of 1, then it's O of n. And it shouldn't matter either way. So I don't know what's with this problem. I'm not going to lie. My apologies for explaining this weird. The reason why I convinced myself it's the other way was because I was like, I just don't understand this problem. Like, I think for me, like right now, and you're watching the explanation live, I'm trying to understand what is the motivation for this problem. Like if you have to do this complex analysis, and I failed clearly here. Like okay, fine. We goes to n log n to n square or something, and it times out. Fine, right? Like yeah, it's fine. I get it, right? But now you don't even need to, because n log n should be fast enough. So what are they doing with this problem? This is like a 2-minute problem that I mean I spent too long reading it because the problem is such a, I think it's not clear at all. But yeah, I don't get it, because we can just write x is equal to sum of prefix left to right plus 1, right? And it should be still fast enough, right? Let's see. I don't know then. Ooh, wrong answer. Huh? Really? Maybe I should brand put these first, but x is equal to... Oh, because I did the prefix. I should not sum the prefix. Whoops. This should be s. I mean, okay, that's just a string. How do I do it? List of s. Map int this, right? So something like this. Oh, I have to convert this to a list again. Hang on. So I don't get it. Speed. So I don't get it. I mean, you don't even need to do the optimization for this one. Huh? Why is this so hard? I confused myself because I was like, well, there must be a reason why it's so hard. That's why I got the complexity wrong, because I didn't really sit down and think about it. But now that I did, it doesn't make sense. I don't know. Leetcode works in one mysterious ways, I suppose. Anyway, I don't know what to tell y'all. Hopefully this was a good Q4 solve for y'all. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. You can watch me solve it live in the contest next. What's 5? 1, 2. Okay, so hopefully this is good. Okay. I was hoping for a shortcut, but I guess I was wrong. I actually knew that too. I mean, I had that idea in my head. That's why I was able to do it so quickly. But yeah, I wasn't thinking too much. I was guessing a little bit. 47 people finished. Huh. Yeah. No cheating there. Q4 minimum. And this is gonna be a hard one for sure. N is big. Okay, let's see. S of I. 1 is sensitive, 0 is not sensitive, whatever that means. String must be partitioned into segments. Single segment. L length L x segments. X is 0, the cost is 5 cost, otherwise you have this thing. What if it's odd? It doesn't. You may split it of equal length, and the cost of this split is the sum of the costs. Huh? Is this always a power of 2? I don't get it. What about if it's odd length? And all these are powers of 2s. It's an example, I mean. So is it to decide whether we're splitting or not? I'm so like not understanding what I'm even asking. But apparently AI could though, so I don't know. cost of the split. Entire string forms. I still just don't understand what odd means. Okay, well, I have no idea. But I'm gonna do prefix sum first though. It's so weird. Why don't they speak English? Like, I don't know, like, do they not realize? Maybe that's why no one has solved it yet. Or I don't know. I mean, some people have. I mean, I should not be 47. I got dropped down after Q3, so I don't know. But is it just that like we split or don't split? Is that it? I really don't know. Because that's just linear, right? I don't really get it. And what does that mean, the cost of the split? Like, were we doing cost of splits or just cost of some of the it's just like a really weird problem. I don't get it. Like I don't know. Well, we'll see if my interpretation is right. They just could, like, you have to guess stuff, and I don't know why they do it this way. Like, I don't. Like it's vague, but not in a good way, right? But I don't know. Okay, fine. Was it so? X, right? So okay. Stevens. Is that right? Let's see, 9, 4. This should be right. Maybe. I don't know. This is such a weird problem. Well, it's not weird. It's just that they don't really tell you what's going on here, right? Like, it's just such a weird problem. Like, thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to come mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.